Mike Trout here. Have you ever wondered why the Mayan calendar actually ended in 2012? Have you ever wondered what's the purpose of the blockchain, why it was created, and what will be the outcome of it? If so, I have the book for you. Found Up's Journey to Social Capitalism, the Untold Blockchain Story. It ties in my passion for Joseph Campbell by sharing a connection of the blockchain to the very fabric of our humanity. It also talks about the underlying cause of all the problems facing our planet, from climate change, deforestation, collapse of fisheries, collapse of our coral reefs, and so on, and plastic in our ocean. All these things can be tied to an underlining piece of broken code that in 2010 I realized was broken back when Occupy Wall Street was happening, and I knew that ultimately we need to usher in something new to fix it, because in the current model, ultimately we can't pull out this broken piece of code and switch it out, and ultimately that ties into the blockchain. My name is Mike Trout, and I've been working on this book for a long time, and finally now sitting down and getting it done. I hope you enjoy it.